for school anyway. Hey, Mom, I'm going to school.
What are you doing after school?
I'm hanging out with Gemma.
Okay, have fun, sweetie.
Bye.
Hey, Giselle.
Oh, hey, Gemma.
Do you want to hang out after school?
Yes, I would. Actually, I can. I'm sorry. That's weird. Why would my future self tell me to tell my mom I'm hanging out with Gemma and then not want me to hang out with Gemma?
Hello, Giselle.
Hey, Chad.
Can you meet me after school?
No, I'm gonna be busy. You know what? Sure.
Meet me in the parking lot after school.
I'll meet you there. Chad is weird. Why would future me tell me to go with him?
Hey, Giselle, are you ready?
What liquid is vital to live? Water? Okay, here we go. My last question. What is your brother's favorite color? But I don't have a brother. What? Mom? Mom,
Yes, sweetie?
do I have a brother?
Why would you ask that?
The system asked me what my brother's favorite color is.
Come with me, hun. I need to tell you something.
What is it you need to tell me?
You do have a brother. I gave him up for adoption because I couldn't care for him.
Do you know where he is?
I have no idea. I'm sorry, honey.
I need to go find him.
Giselle, are you okay? You look like you've seen a ghost.
My mother just told me I had a brother I never knew about, and I need to find him. But I have no idea where to start.
I think I can help you. Honey, today you'll get a letter on your face. You and your soulmate will have the same one.
Hey, Mom, look! I already got mine. It's a P.
Oh no, that can't be. Come with me right now. You can't let anybody see that letter. You have to cover it up. Okay, that's perfect.
I don't understand, though. Why did I have to cover it up?
Because I said so. Don't let anybody see it. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Now go have a good day at school.
Hey, Jess.
Giselle, guess what? My letter is an M. Michael is my soulmate.
No way. I'm so happy for you.
What's your letter?
Oh, I didn't get one.
Don't worry. I'm sure it'll show up. Attention class. The prince is here for his soulmate.
The prince?
Yes, he's looking for the girl with the letter P. Next. Wait. Give me that.
Mommy, Jackson took my teddy bear.
No, I didn't. See what happens when you lie, Giselle? You get killed. Don't ever lie.
I'm just gonna take $10 from my mom's wallet. She'll never even know.
Giselle, did you take money out of my wallet?
No, Mom, I would never.
I guess you were telling the truth.
That's so weird. How didn't I get shot? I lied.
Hey, is something wrong?
I think I can lie without getting shot.
There's no way.
Okay, I'll prove it. Ask me a question.
What color is your hair?
My hair is brown. See? Nothing.
What? That's so crazy. Excuse me, we're looking for a Giselle Catherine.
That's me.
Come with us.
Okay, Lizzie, are you ready?
No, I'm scared. What if one of us dies?
We're both gonna be fine. 3, 2, 1.
I got 80 years. What did you get?
Yeah, I got 80 years too.
Yay, now you're gonna be with me forever. Giselle, your little sister told me you got 80 years. That's amazing.
Actually, I lied. I only have 2 days left. I need you to take care of her when I'm gone.
Are you insane? We need to tell her.
No, we can't tell her. It's gonna upset her. Promise me you won't tell her and promise me you'll take care of her.
Okay, fine. I promise.
Okay, thank you.
She
Hey, Lizzie, what's wrong?
deserved to know.
You told her?
How could you?
Lizzie, wait!
Giselle, it's Lizzie.
Did you find her? Is she okay?
She's not doing good. She gave you her time.
Mom, can you please take me to the mall?
Honey, they time it. You have to rhyme it.
Mom, can you please take me to the mall so me and my friends can go have a ball?
Giselle, be careful with the words you choose. I don't want you to be the one I lose.
If I don't rhyme, why is that such a crime?
People who don't rhyme get killed all the time. Did you do the math homework?
Jessica, they time it. You have to rhyme it.
What rhymes with homework? Giselle, did you finish your paper? It can't wait till later.
Mr. Bates, I didn't do it, but I promise you I'll get through it.
I'm giving you one last chance to prove yourself and advance. Can you babysit my sister? I want to go on a date with my mister.
I can't, I'm busy. What rhymes with busy?
Tell your mom that I miss her so much.
Hey, Mom. Grandma wants you to know that she really misses you.
How do you know that, sweetie?
She told me.
I
gotta go. Bye, Mom.
Tell my son I don't blame him for the accident.
Hey, Jake.
Yeah?
Your dad says he doesn't blame you for the accident.
All this time I thought he did.
Well, he doesn't.
Tell my husband I'm really proud of him.
Mr. Fitz,
Yes, Giselle?
your wife says she's really proud of you.
Wow. Thank you so much. I'll always love you, sweetie.
Wait, Mom? No. Dad, where's Mom?
Hey, Pumpkin, she's not home yet. You okay? Don't listen to him. He's not your real father. You need to come with me real quick.
The bad thing about a star is they burn up. Rest in peace to Ali. Rest in peace to let fly. Michael Jackson, I see you. Since I die.
Okay, since it's my birthday, let's see what sense I'm losing. Emotion? But that's not even a sense. Whatever. Good morning, Mom. I'm going to school.
Honey, wait. I have to tell you your grandma passed away. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Are you not sad?
No, why would I be? Bye.
Hey, Giselle, since it's your birthday, what sense did you lose?
I didn't lose a sense.
Is that not a little weird to you?
I don't know, I don't really care.
Giselle?
Yes, Mr. Fitz?
You failed your math test once again. You need to get your grades up.
Whatever. I don't care.
You should care if you want to graduate. Hey, you're Giselle, right?
Yeah, can I help you?
You lost emotion, didn't you?
How do you know that?
I did too, and it's really important that you don't tell anyone because...
Hey, Mom.
Hey, honey, what did you get on your math test?
Oh, that? Yeah, I got an A.
Well, show me then. She's gonna find out I'm lying.
Okay, here you go.
Oh my goodness, it says A!
Wait, it does? I mean, yes. Of course it does.
I'm so proud of you. Hey, Giselle, do you have a date to prom yet? Shit, no, I don't.
Yeah, Jake is coming with me.
There's no way. Giselle, are we still on for prom?
Yeah, of course.
Wait, how?
I told you. Okay, something's definitely up. Let me try this. I have an Apple Watch. What? All my lies are coming true. This means I can literally have whatever I want.
Hey, Giselle, do you want to come shopping with us?
Yeah, I am a millionaire after all.
Wait, what is that?
Oh no. Please let it be anything but my hands. My right hand. Great.
Good morning, honey.
Hey, Mom.
What's going on with you?
Nothing. I'm just really excited to see you.
I knew I raised a weirdo. Hey, Giselle, can you rate my outfit out of 10?
Oh my goodness, that's a 10.
So you think it's a 1?
No, wait, that's not what I meant.
Ugh, you're such a bad friend.
I am so gonna get my soulmate back for this.
Hey, Giselle.
Oh, Jake, hey.
Is something wrong?
Oh, nothing. Yeah?
Do you want to go out with me tonight?
Oh my goodness, yes, I would love to go.
I'll take that as a no.
No, I really didn't mean to.
I'm out of here.
Jake!
Hey, Giselle.
Hey, Caleb.
Bad day?
It's horrible.
Your soulmate?
How do you know that? Please be a good guy. Please be a good guy. My soulmate's danger level is a 3? This is not good. Hey, Mom.
What's your soulmate's danger level? It better be 0.
Yeah, of course. It's a 0.
Good. You know what would have happened to you if it wasn't. We don't allow troublemakers into our family.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to school.
Hey, Giselle, is something wrong? You seem worried.
My soulmate's danger level is a 3. Now it's a 4.
Why are you so worried about that?
My soulmates don't allow troublemakers in our family. They found out my soulmate was dangerous, they'd get rid of me too. It keeps going up. I need to find him and figure out why he's so dangerous.
Class, welcome our new student, Zach.
Wow, he's kinda cute.
I heard he's a bad guy. He's been expelled from 3 schools.
Only 20,000? How am I supposed to buy anything with that? Hey, Mom.
How many breaths did you get today?
Only 20,000. I'm not even gonna be able to buy anything.
Be careful with your breaths, honey. Don't waste them.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, Giselle, guess what?
What?
I got 1 million breaths today. I can finally buy a car.
Oh, that's great.
How many did you get?
I didn't get a lot. I only have 15,000 left.
Oh, I'm sorry. Maybe it'll be better tomorrow. Well, well, well. Hi, Giselle.
What do you want, Mary?
Do you want to come shopping with us? Oh, wait, you can, 'cause you're a broke loser.
You know what? Just leave me alone, okay?
Hey, I just saw that. Do you want me to hack and steal Mary's words?
You can do that?